pier cap reinforcement for P10. After constructing the pier, the staging work is carried out initially. For staging, first of all, the ISMC 600 section is provided at the base, and above that the trussel are placed at an interval of 1 meter, and the trussels are connected each other with the use of a pipe section. This is the base I section of ISMB 600, 2 channels both side, and then the trussel are placed above it to carry out the work at high level and to provide levels for pier cap. And then the pipes are connected, known as hollow steel pipes of 60 mm diameter, are connected to each other using a couplock system. Above trussel, ISMC 500 known as trussel cap is provided like this, and above it ISMB 300 of 2 numbers both sides are provided. Above that ISMB 150 I section is provided like this, and to support it the box sections is provided for a level. Above ISMB 150, the adjustable props of 40 mm diameter with variable heights are provided at a distance of 500 center to center, and above it the box section of 80 into 80 are provided vertically to support the plates above it. Above this box section, the plate is provided. This plate, this is known as MS shutter plate. After placing the side reinforcement, formworks for pier caps are placed like this, and they are connected with the I sections, and the supports are provided laterally. After placing one side of formwork, the reinforcement of pier caps are placed. Firstly, the bottom reinforcement in both the directions are placed, and after that the chairs are provided at a minimum distance of 1 to 1.2 meter, and then the top reinforcement of pier cap is provided like this, and then the links are provided in vertical direction connecting bottom reinforcement and top reinforcement to avoid the deflection, and also to resist the shear force acting on the pier cap. After placing top, bottom and links, the side reinforcement or confining reinforcements are provided on the sides, connecting from 4 sides like this, and then the cover of 45 mm is placed all around. After placing cover, this side reinforcement, formworks are placed. After placing side formworks, the reinforcement of arrestor and pedestal are placed accordingly by marking the points of arresters and pedestals like this. Here the marking is done. Initially the marking is carried out as per the coordinates using total station, and then the reinforcement as per the drawing details, they are placed accordingly. This is the pedestal and this is the arrestor. Similarly, after this, the checking will be done, checking of reinforcement, and then the concreting of M35 grade is done. During concreting, needle vibrator of 60 mm in diameter and 600 mm long is used to vibrate to compress the concrete. This is the wire mesh placed at the jack point for the future work. In future, for lifting the girders, here the mesh are provided. This is known as mesh. It is generally provided for the future to lift the girder for placing the bearings or elastomer pads, or we can say pot type bearings. They are placed accurately as per the coordinates provided, and they are tied up with the top reinforcement of the pier cup. Here is the tying of pedestal. For binding the GI wire of a 21 gauge is used and is tied properly. And at last, after concreting, the formworks are hooked using hydraulic crane. Here is the hydraulic crane. It is lifted, all the formworks are lifted and de-shuttered, and then the curing is done. Here, this curing is carried out using gunny bag.